is the difference between the VWAP and the anchored VWAP? That's a good question. The VWAP, when I just say VWAP, is the volume weighted average price of the futures contract starting at midnight of that particular day. So it's the volume weighted average price from 12:01 a.m. for today, for instance. That's the VWAP. And you can do the same thing in stocks, but in stocks, the VWAP is the volume weighted average price from 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so for instance, in SMCI right now, the VWAP is 936.96. That's the VWAP. All right. The anchored VWAP is when you pick a specific time and date on a daily chart and you anchor the starting point to that time and date. So let's do this SMCI, actually. That's a good example because we want to know, like, particularly where this might pull back. A lot of times stocks will just pull in to the anchored VWAP. So for instance, you're on the chart with me now with the SMCI. So look at the anchored VWAP starting from here. Now, the way you want to anchor it is you want to start from a swing low. So I personally think this VWAP should start from this move right here. It should be from the close of this day, which is 118. So I go into here, and I change the date to 2024, 118. And I'll put it at 3:30 in the afternoon, which is 15:30, just because I want it to be at the end of the day. And now you can see the yellow line, the yellow dot starts here. So the volume weighted average price of SMCI is 646. So if you wanted to sell puts here, that's where you should be selling them. Also notice that the 21 EMA is catching price right there as well. This could pull into that. Who knows? I think it bounces at the 8. But we'll see. But that's the volume weighted average price. All right. I don't know.